नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं रंजना शर्मा एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत करती हूँ समाचार 24 प्लस में। असम की सिनी शेखर बनी मिसेज इंडिया। मिसेज इंडिया 1 in the million का खिताब जीता सिनी शेखर ने। श्रीमती सिनी शेखर पेशे से रसायन विज्ञान में एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर हैं और अभी वर्तमान वो फिटजी लिमिटेड के साथ काम कर रही हैं। उन्हें पढ़ाने का बहुत शौक है और यही वजह है कि उन्होंने इस जुनून को अपना पेशा बना लिया है। वे राष्ट्र के सुंदर दिमाग द चिल्ड्रंस का निर्माण करना पसंद करती हैं। उन्होंने अपनी पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन केमिस्ट्री और अपनी एमफिल बेंगलुरु से की है। श्रीमती सिनी शेखर बहुत ही मेहनती महिला हैं। वे फैशन और मॉडलिंग में अपनी रुचि रखती हैं। वो जानवरों से बहुत प्यार करती हैं। उनका कहना है कि हमको जानवरों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए। किसी ने ठीक ही कहा है कि उम्र सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक संख्या है। 44 साल की उम्र में मिसेज इंडिया 1 in a million में सीजन 2 में उन्होंने भाग लिया। ये गृहिणियों को अपनी प्रतिभा दिखाने के लिए दिया गया मंच था। इस बार सीजन 2 के आयोजन में 103 प्रतियोगी पहुंचे। सौंदर्य प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन टिस्का पेजेंट के संस्थापक प्रशांत चौधरी और स्वाति दीक्षित द्वारा किया गया।
पूर्व मिसेस वर्ल्ड अदिति गोवितनीकर, अर्चना सिन्हा, सचिन खुराना, रोहित ढींगरा, पायल, अंजलि सहानी, प्रशांत चौधरी ने ब्यूटी पेजेंट को जज किया।
श्रीमती सिनी शेखर के पति श्री किशोर पात्रा ने उन्हें इस प्रतियोगिता में भाग लेने के लिए समर्थन किया। माता पिता के बाद उनका जीवन वास्तविक में संघर्ष भरा रहा, लेकिन अब वो ऐसी महिला बन चुकी हैं जो ये दिखा सकती है कि अगर हम सोच रहे हैं कुछ करने के लिए तो हम जरूर कर सकते हैं। कोई हमें नहीं रोक सकता।
Hi everyone, my name is Sini Shekhar. I hail from God's own country, Kerala, currently based in the city of Joy, Kolkata. But my major part of the life I have spent in Assam. So I would like basically to be called as an Assamese girl. By profession, I'm an educator, that is an associate professor and teaches chemistry in Fiji. I love and I'm fond of teaching. That is why this teaching is the one which I have made as my profession. I love to be with the beautiful minds of the nation. I love to build them up. Mrs. India 1 in a million platform has been given to all beautiful ladies who have been married and have forgotten themselves, who have been given this opportunity that they can come out and understand themselves. It is a platform which enhanced my self-image. I had made me to celebrate my womanhood and turn my dreams to reality. I would love to say thanks to Swati ma'am, Prashant sir and all the team who has given this effort, who has given us this opportunity and the platform to win the hearts of the people. Thank you everyone for this one. Kapil sir was a great help for us. Harpreet ma'am, Khushi ma'am, Anju ma'am, everyone was really the best among all. The sessions were really very nice at all. They were the ones which have taught us everything about what we need to know. I would like to thank my husband, Mr. Kishore Patra, who was being there constantly with me, supporting me, helping me, guiding me to attain what right now I have got in my life. He has never given up. He has always given me the comfort and the support that I would always be thankful for. To be frank, the message that I would love to give to all those beautiful ladies out there in this world is that don't give up. Have confidence in your life and live it, because this is only one life you're going to live. And also, beauty is not about just wearing the crown. It is all about how do you feel. It is all about how do you take the hearts of the people that you meet. How do you make the other person who is standing next to you make you smile. That is about what we call beauty, and we all do have it. Just have that confidence and come onto the stage and rock the world. This is what I would love to say. This crown, Mrs. India 1 in a million, has given me the title of Assam, has given me the privilege to stand in the midst of the crowd of all the ladies out there and boast of that, yes, this is the life we have lived. We have not forgotten our country. We've built up the nation. Thank you once again, everyone who is out there watching us. I would like to thank everyone. I would like to give my time to everyone and wanted to pray for every human being in this world. Thank you once again, and stay safe, be happy and take care of yourself. This is what I would always like to say to all my beautiful people out there. Thank you.
ये थी हमारी आज की छोटी सी पेशकश। तो बने रहें हमारे साथ और देखते रहें समाचार 24 प्लस।